Okay, so hey guys, uh, let's go with the daily ego challenge and let me just firstly fix this. Okay, so as we know that we're not doing questions from last few days and our streak is basically broken. Like there are 5 missing days in between, and today is this day. We will be doing the question today. So we haven't done any question from the last 5 days, and as the good news is that I've got a job at Amazon and I've been out for a few days, so that's why it happened. So yeah, now we will try to recover this, and I guess you guys know that there's a way to recover this is through using these coins. That we can use 70 coins to buy a time travel ticket through which we can do a question which we have missed in the previous day in the daily lead code challenge. Okay, for daily coding challenge. Okay, so for 5 at least we need 350. We have currently 204 only. So and on in 1 month we can only buy 3 of these tickets. So the month is coming to its end, so I will try to do one thing. I will try to buy at least two tickets and do 2 questions, so that in the next month we can do 3 questions and we can recover this whole streak. Fine. So this is what we are gonna do, but before that, yeah, let's just jump to the today's question and let's try to solve that. Okay. The question is that length of the longest Fibonacci subsequence. So we are given with, we know what a Fibonacci is, that if like there's a sequence given here where xi plus xi plus 1 is equal to xi plus 2 होता है for all, for n at least greater than 2. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so we are given a strictly increasing array. We are given an array which is strictly increasing and we need to find the longest Fibonacci like subsequence of the array. Like in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 is the longest Fibonacci subsequence possible to extract out from this array. Okay, so obviously the simple solution is brute force, that we iterate through each possible subsequence, right? But the problem is that for that we are doing what that will be of n cube basically, because we are taking 2 elements and we have to find that some of these two is there in the array or not, right? This is what we need to find. But okay, we are taking 2 elements, that of n square directly, and the third thing will be like searching that sum now. Okay, and for that we are again iterating the whole array. So that will be a quite like we can optimize it somehow, that we have one element and we have the second element. We need to find the sum of these. So obviously, like if we store these elements in a hash map, I guess yeah, right. Because in this hash map we won't have to search it, then we'll just check that if it exists, if the sum exists. Like let's say we store each elements in the hash map according to its index. Okay, and after that we'll do what is we will go to 2 elements, pick up any 2 elements and see if the sum is there in the hash map. Then we'll increase the length and then update the numbers of that Fibonacci series. Okay, we will take at least 2 elements. Okay, the length is greater than 4, that's fine. We will take the at least 2 elements which we are going to pick for the first 2 elements of Fibonacci series which we are considering because we have to at least consider those 2 elements. After that we will find the sum of these, that will be the third element, and first element will be discarded, second element will be the first element now. So that's how we are going to approach this. Obviously, we don't have to put a condition that length should be greater than or equal to 2 because it's already greater or equal to 3. Okay, so we can just directly jump on to constructing a map. Okay, so let's firstly do this, and is array dot size, and let's make an ordered map, and store all the elements inside this map. That will be um, map of array I is equal to I, yeah, according to the index. Now next thing we're gonna do is make pairs. So we'll take two loops, I0 to I less than and I plus plus, and accept the current element, int j is equal to I plus 1, starting from there and going to all the way to last j plus plus. Array I and array j are the two elements, so int a is array I and b is array j. Fine, these two are the starting elements, and we have to find what a plus b here. Okay, and we have to find the maximum length, so let's just take here as int answer as int min, and obviously it's strictly increasing, so anyways our uh, temporary answer is going to be 2 minimum. It's never going to be less than that. Now we will start searching if a plus b is present in that. If map dot find a plus b, if this thing is there in the map, then we'll do what? Temp plus equals to 1, and answer will be equal to max of answer and temp. Obviously we'll update it, and now a and b also will be changed. Now a is array I, b is array j. So now um, we can do what is, we can save the b, because we are going to use b. This will be the one element, and second element will be array I plus array j, then that will be the a plus b. Okay, we will save this firstly. Now after that, somehow we need to do this, let first element and second element. So b will be now equal to a plus b. Okay, and a will be equal to save now, right? Will be equal to save now. A is equal to save is what this, so a will be equal to b is equal to a plus b. These are this. Okay, perfect. Yeah, this is the thing, and perfect, right? And if the will return if the answer is, see, okay, if 1 does not exist, if the Fibonacci does not exist. Okay, if the length is answer is 2, then the answer does not exist, we have to return 0. So if answer is um, greater than 2, then return the answer, else return 0. Fine, so let's try to run this. Okay, expected is 5, answer is 3. Okay, fine. So we are taking these two elements, length is initially is 2, we are searching for this a plus b every time. Okay, this is not if, this should be a while loop, because we should go forward until then we do not find the sum in the array, right? Until then we need to go forward with updating a and b and finding the maximum possible answer for that particular series, right? So I think, yeah, that's gonna work perfect. Yeah, so let's try submitting this. Yep. Okay, here are the possible Yeah, the output. Okay, use this test case here. So what could be the, says A is array I, B is array J. Fine. Maximum is what? Int min. Okay, initially this is this. I plus 1 to this. A is array I, B is array J. Perfect. And the temporary length initially is equal to 2. Then we'll check that if it exists in the map. It is exists. Then we will increase the temporary length by 1. We'll update the answer and then we'll update A and B. Uh, Fine. I guess A plus B we are finding. Perfect. Okay, it should be while, right? Let's try output what the elements they are doing here. Okay, and yeah, doing it here and cout temp. Okay, 2 and 7. We took 2 and 7 firstly. And why do we do this? Why not 2 and 4? Okay, 2 and 4 because it was not there. Then we go to 2 and 7. 9 is there because. Perfect. The answer for this is what? 2, 7, 9 and 7, 16 not there. 2, 7, fine. 2 and 7 is 9. Then 7, 8 is here. 7 and 8 is here. So why 2, 7 and then 2, 8? 2 and 7 is here. Perfect. And the temp will be equal to 2. Then temp will be increased by 1. And answer is equal to 2. Save will be equal to, yeah, because I think 8 plus 7, 15. 15 and 8, 23 is there. So it will be 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Yeah, this is the answer. So why isn't it taking 8 after 7 in the same series? It is taking 2, 7 and then 2, 8 it is going. It's not taking 2, 7 and 7, 8. Because if we take 2, 7, it's there. Perfect. Yeah, and temp will be increased by 1 and now cout also there. A, B. Yeah, let's check this. Okay, 2, 7. After 2, 7 and 9 will be there. Oh, perfect, not 8. Yeah, right. For fine, 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 fine. Then 2, 8, 2, 8, 10, 2, 8, 10, 8, 10, 18, 18 and 10. Okay, 2, 8, 8, 10. Now 8, 10, 3. It should be 10, 18. Hmm. After 810, it should be 1018, right? A plus B. B is this. And A is what? Why is it 8 here, not 10 here? Array J is 10, right? C is B. Okay. 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 Yeah, that was the issue, actually. Let's try submitting this now. Yeah, it worked, and good one. I guess we get 11 coins by doing question every day, right? 10 question, 10 points. Okay, fine. Perfect. Yeah. So that was the question for today. Like easy one, but I somehow missed some things here. Uh, I had to bring my focus again. So because there were some silly mistakes due to which the question was giving the wrong output. But anyways, we did it, and it took 16 minutes. Well, fine. So that's it for today. We'll meet again tomorrow with the next question of the day, or maybe before that with a maybe a video of doing questions. I'm not sure. So that's it for today.